Hey Taurus, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name's Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Sunday, February 7th. Let's see what's going on with Taurus. The heart of your reading, we have the Empress. This is either you or the object of your affections. Feeling very creative, very nurturing. Very cozy and cared for. Get a very cuddly vibe. Lots of cuddles. The challenge, Knight of Wands in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse. Aha. I think we're being cuddly with an ex. That's the vibe that I'm getting. It might not be an ex for everyone, but it's got this vibe of let's hang out one more time for old time's sake. One more time to get it out of our system. Your focus is being receptive to that energy, where maybe the last few times this person's reached out to you, it's been like, no, thank you. I'm with someone else, or I'm not interested, or I'm busy doing something else. But this time, you were receptive to the let's hang out one more time. Or maybe let's give it another try. But I think we're focused more on the short term right now, on the cuddly vibes. Getting up close and personal. Show me the recent past for Taurus. Page of Cups in reverse. Getting a shy vibe off of that, very shy. Could also be guarded, guarding your emotions. Because together with the indication that you used to feel standoffish, that could be this energy, the standoffish. I need my space. But yeah, what's the word for that? It's like, it's not aloof, it's not distance, it's not cold, but it's like something more like shy, something more like bashful. Kind of like a liking them, but wanting to keep that to yourself and thinking, oh, I really shouldn't. I really shouldn't. The energy of the environment, we have the Three of Pentacles in reverse. There's no positive result of you guys coming together, of being in the same place at the same time. It doesn't lead anywhere. I don't think that comes as a surprise to you. I think you know that. That's the vibe that I'm picking up. Oh, yeah. Lovers reversed at the bottom of the deck. This is like, I think this is saying this is not a long-term commitment. We're not teaming up here to build anything together, to plan for the future, to really make any meaningful contributions to one another's lives. It's just a bit of fun. They're asking me to take a look at another direction because it's not for like, it's not for a hookup for everyone. They might be angry with you or upset with you, and you are keen to make amends with them. It's possible that there was a broken heart in this process, and either you are angry at them or they are angry at you. You're feeling pretty secure, like this doesn't put you at risk to come into contact with them again. So whether it's for a hookup or to release some sort of anger, some sort of upset feelings about the past, about the way it ended, about what should have happened, about what didn't happen. If it's more about the hashing out the what went wrong, just for some closure, some resolution, you're open to it. You're emotionally on board with having that conversation, and I'm seeing some sort of feeling better as a result of this. Whether it's let's get together one more time to get it out of our system, or hey, I really need to talk to you about what happened. It's bothering me a lot. Can we just talk? Show me the near future. We have the Ace of Cups. So this is either going to resolve and give you guys another chance at love, or because you resolve it and acknowledge the lack of contribution, the lack of long-term commitment, being on board with a common goal. If that is the direction that you both want to go, an opportunity does exist here for a new start in love. It might just be the closure that you get from like getting them out of your head one way or another that opens the door to a new person entering your life. Show me surprise energy for Taurus. The Fool, the Queen of Cups. You're going to take a leap of faith in love. And again, that could go either leap of faith, let's give it one more shot with this person, or, all right, I'm going to move in a new direction and take an adventure in my life. Either way, there's no looking back. You're all in. You're saying, okay, this is the direction that I'm headed now. It's centered on your own emotional well-being and having the love in your life that you know you deserve. Your hopes and fears, we have the Magician in reverse. I think you suspect that there's someone meddling in the situation. Someone who doesn't want this to work out or doesn't want you to be happy. Someone you get bad vibes from in a way that you think they want, like, they don't want you to find love. So I'm picking up on that vibe through your fear that I'm reading off of the Magician in reverse, that someone's out there, like, wishing bad things for you. And again, I'm not saying that I pick up on that actually happening. I'm picking up on your fear that it's happening. Show me the end result for Taurus. Well, we have a pair on the board now. Queen of Cups as your surprise, King of Cups reversed as your end result. And Lovers showing up at the bottom of the deck again. Because the King of Cups and the Lovers are both showing up reversed here, it makes me think that you're going to have the upper hand, so to speak. Someone's going to make themselves vulnerable to you, expose their soft underbelly, so to speak, like, be vulnerable with you emotionally. This isn't saying that you're going to end up together. What's indicated is that they are going to say that they want to be with you. But I don't know if you're going to say yes to that. I don't know if you're going to agree. I don't know if you're going to feel the same way. Let's get you some advice. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Swords reversed, Queen of Pentacles, Emperor reversed. Now we have Empress, Emperor, Queen, and King of Cups. Both masculines are reversed. The feminine energy in this situation definitely has the upper hand. And the way that I mean that is like, you're going to have the decision. The masculine is going to leave it in the feminine's, if you're the masculine, you're going to leave the decision in your feminine's hands. If you're the feminine, then your masculine is going to come to you and say, listen, here's how I feel. Here's everything about, like, why I'm doing this, what I want, what I hope for, and I really hope that you choose me. Or I really hope that it would make sense for you for us to give this another try. Or if this is a new person, I really think you're amazing. I don't know if you feel the same way about me, but I'd like to see where this could lead. It's a very, like, opening up without any indication that you might say yes. It's like, it's what's the term for this? It's like giving it a big shot, like taking a big shot in the potential for a love relationship with you. Your advice: weigh your options. Don't try to do too much at once. Identify the truth versus the spin. Excuse me. Got a tickle in my throat. The truth versus the spin. What is flowery words and what is substance? And separate the two before you allow it to kind of take hold in your mind. And then be practical. You're going to be in a position to get what you need from the situation. If you're wondering how to behave toward them and you do want to, if you want to connect with them, the way to do so is to not leave them hanging as an option, to choose them and make it obvious that they're choosing them, that you are choosing them, and nurture them in some way. That can be cooking for them, it can be like giving them a back massage. It's a very tactile, hands-on, I want to care for you in a physical sense. Taurus, I hope that helped. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow.